Hey friends, if you wish to restore default missing power plans on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. See, here's the thing. When you press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter, this opens the power options window. Okay, you see a few power plans here, but I added the current power plan and maybe the default power plans may not be here. So we have a command line for you, which is powercfg space hyphen restore default schemes. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, paste it here, hit enter. This command will do its job, and then you can close this option and then search for the same page, and it will show default power plans. Now in my case it is not showing it because in my case the only default power plan was the balanced one, and it won't erase the current power plan. It will simply show the ones which were existing initially. So the default power plans vary from system to system. In some of them, you would also find the high performance power plan, but in my system, you wouldn't find that. You would find the balanced power plan only. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.